Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can collect patients' feedbacks after appointments via form submission. Now, Jotform is a form building application, online form building application, and Stackby is a spreadsheet software. Now, why would you need this automation? As I have already read it up in the title, whenever a patient is coming into your hospital or clinic, what will happen? After appointment, he is going to fill up a form through Jotform and he will tell about his experience and he will give the remarks to your hospital and to your hospital staff. Then what will happen? The details will automatically be saved to your Stackby account into a new database and then you can work on that data. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Jotform and Stackby together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back to our screen. So what do we have to do? We have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect. And as soon as we will press enter, we will be redirected to this page here. Here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Signing in is easy. If you already have an account, you have to just go for sign in. If you do not have an account here, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free. And we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our site so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching. Now I already have an account, so I'll just go for sign in. And here I'll just go for login. And now you can see here, this is my window. Here I have these softwares with me and now I'm just going to click on Pabbly Connect Access now. And now what I'm going to do, I am going to just click on create workflow and I will create a new workflow and give it a new name. So here I am going to give it the name Jotform to Stackby Integration. Now I'm connecting Jotform to Stackby. You can connect, you can name it whatever you want to. I'm naming it this. I'm just going to click on create. And as soon as I will do that, you can see I have two windows here. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. And action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So what we are going to do here in trigger, we are having a Jotform response. So we are going to select Jotform and then we are going to select new response. Now here you can see this is the webhook URL. So this webhook URL is the URL which will help us connect our Jotform with our Pabbly Connect account. And how it is going to connect, you can follow this instruction here. I am just going to show you how it's done. You can just read it later on. So let me just go to my Jotform and here what I'm going to do, I am going to select this patient feedback form. So I am going to go to integrations, then all integrations. Here I will just search for webhooks. Now I'll click on webhooks. Add to form. And now I'll just click on select form. Now here I am just going to take the patient feedback form. So I'll just go for patient feedback form. And here you can see I have already one integration here. So I'm just going to remove this integration and I am going to take my integration here and put it here in webhook. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this webhook URL from here and I will paste this webhook URL here and I will click on complete integration. And as soon as I will complete it, I will click on publish. Now my Pabbly Connect account is connected to my Jotform account. Now whatever I will fill in here, it will be taken as a response in my Jotform account. Sorry, a Pabbly Connect account. So let me just do this. Here, let me just fill Arpit. Second name is Sharma. Email is arpitsharma@gmail.com. Gender is male. And here I am going to fill in all the details. So what I am going to do, I am just going to go for doctor's knowledge is very satisfied. Doctor's kindness is satisfied. Nurse patience, neutral. Nurse knowledge, unsatisfied. Waiting time, very unsatisfied. Hygiene, very satisfied. Okay, so I'm just putting it random fields here and now I'm just clicking on submit. Now as soon as I will click on submit, you will see here in Pabbly Connect, I will have a response. This is the webhook response and here you can see this is my name, this is my second name and this is my email. And here you can see I have all the responses: very satisfied, satisfied, neutral, unsatisfied, very satisfied and very satisfied. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go and we will choose our next step, which is our action step. Now here, our first step of connecting our Jotform to our Pabbly Connect account is complete. So now we are just going to choose our next step, and next step is Stackby. Now we are going to connect our Stackby account to our Pabbly Connect account. So here we are going to select an action, create a row. Let's just click on connect, add a new connection. And now here you have to put in the API key. Now from where you are going to get this API key, you have to follow these instructions here. And you can just, after following these instructions, you can get the API key. I'm just going to click on here and I'll just go directly to API key. I'll just copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect and here paste it. Click on save. And now you can see here my workspace. So my workspace is, let me just go back here. So this is my workspace here and my workspace is Rainbow Hospital. So I'm just going to select Rainbow Hospital here. This is Rainbow Hospital, and now it will automatically take the stack and the table because I only have one stack in Rainbow Hospital, which is patient, and one stack only here, one table only here, which is feedback. Now here you can see I have name, email, doctor knowledge, kindness, patients, nurse knowledge, etc. fields I have already created in my Stackby. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here and it will let me put the data here in this window. Okay. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to map in the name, Arpit. I am also going to map in my last name, which is Sharma. I'm going to map in the email, arpitsharma@gmail.com. Now here we have to see nurse patients. So we have to see the fields here because you can see I do not have here written nurse patients, doctor's knowledge, etc. Here it is only written question 4 and overall satisfaction 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So it is starting from the 0, which means, let me just refresh this, which means doctor's knowledge is starting from 0. Then this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So nurse patients is number 2. So we'll just go here and we will map in number 2 here. So number 2 was neutral. Okay. Now nurse knowledge. So what is nurse knowledge? Nurse knowledge is number 3 because we are starting from 0. So nurse knowledge is number 3. Unsatisfied. Waiting time was 4. Very unsatisfied. Hygiene was 5. So very satisfied. Doctor's knowledge was at the field 0. So very satisfied. And doctor's kindness was at the field 1. So satisfied. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as we will do that, you can see we have a new row ID here. And here in Stackby, I have a new row. Arpit Sharma @gmail.com, doctor's knowledge, doctor kindness, nurse patients, nurse knowledge, waiting, etc. And all the fields are automatically filled here, which means our automation is successful. Now let us try it for another person. So let us just go for Swati. Last name is Sharma. Email is swatisharma@gmail.com. Gender is female. Now doctor's knowledge, she was satisfied with it. Kindness, neutral. Nurse patient, satisfied. Nurse knowledge, satisfied. Waiting time, unsatisfied. Hygiene, neutral. Now submit. And as soon as we will submit it, we will see in our Stackby, we have a new row by the name Swati Sharma here. And this is the email, swatisharma@gmail.com. And doctor's knowledge, doctor's kindness, nurse patient, nurse knowledge, everything has been automatically filled. So friends, this is how you can connect your Jotform with your Stackby so that whenever a patient is giving a feedback through a Jotform for your clinic or for your hospital, it will automatically be sent to your Stackby and a new row will be created where you can easily, work on the points which are not up to the mark and can make your hospital or clinic a better place. Now, if you want to clone this automation, you can just go to my description box and clone this automation in your account. But for that, you need to have an account. And for that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free. And we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista.
So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.